Chiki Art! Hey kids, do you know the alphabet? And how are you at counting? Excellent! Let's draw the letters A, B, C. Do you know what those letters sound like? That's right! A, B, and K. Brilliant! Now let's do the numbers. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. Can you count with me? Lovely! Now we've done the outlines, we can start painting. Let's start with red for the letter A. Can you think of any animals which start with the letter A? How about ant? Anteater. Oh, or what about aardvark? Brilliant! Let's do a green bee. What can you think of that starts with the letter B? Look around your room and see what you can find. Maybe a ball, a basket. Now for the letter C, we're going to do it nice and purple. C is for cat. Excellent! Time to paint our numbers. Number 1 is yellow because it's so much fun. Number 2 is pink because it loves to think. Beautiful! And finally, number 3 is going to be blue, like the sea. Round we go. And we're done! There you go, you did it! A, B, C. 1, 2, 3. Well done! Hey kids, can you count to 5? Just like on one hand, you've got 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wiggle your fingers. Number 1 is so much fun. Number 2 is friends with you. You can have fun with this and draw your smiley, happy face numbers. Just ask an adult for help. Number 2, with a smile and some eyebrows. Number 3 is filled with glee. 2 eyes. Number 4 next. Number 4 on the floor. What's next? That's right, it's number 5. Number 5 is so alive. Ooh yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 5 is so alive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ready to colour? Let's do number 1 yellow. I like to do number 1 yellow because number 1 is my favourite fellow. Super easy to colour in between the thick black border there. Number 2 can be orange. Number 2 is feeling the colour orange. Orange-licious! Yeah! Number 3 can be so blue. Like the sky when the sun's shining for you. Or sometimes when you're feeling sad, we say we're blue because we feel bad. Counting's my favourite thing to do, so I'll colour 3 in blue. Yeah! Which colour shall we do 4? Pink, of course. I really love number 4, colour in pink, I don't want more. Oh yeah, that's the score, number 4. Last but not least, number 5. Let's do it green because 5 is alive. He likes to jig and jive, oh yeah, he's number 5. We love the colour green, number 5 loves to be seen. Ooh, yeah! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5! Hey kids, how are you today? We are going to learn the alphabet. That's right, and we're going to draw it and paint it too. Isn't that exciting? Ooh, I love drawing. We'll start with the letter A, then B, then C, and D. What comes next? It's E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. What comes next? L, then M, N, O, P, yay! Q, R, S, T, U, V. What's next? That's right, it's W, X, Y, and Z, or Z. Now we know our ABCs, this time won't you paint with me? Red. A is going to be red, like an apple. B is going to be yellow, like a banana. C can be purple, like a purple carrot. Yes, you can get purple carrots. Green for D, like a dinosaur. E can be pink, like a pink elephant. What colour shall we do F? Blue, what a great choice. Blue for a blue frog. Yellow again for G. G is going to be a giraffe. Next is H and we're going through the green again. How about a green helicopter? And I can be for ice. Blue ice. Jelly, strawberry flavoured because it's pink. Next we're going for K. Gold, koala. What shall we do for the letter L? Blue, what a great choice. It could be a blue lizard. Ooh. M can be red for a red monkey. Well, why not? It's my monkey and I want it to be red. Purple for N because it's such a nice colour. Ooh, let's go for gold again for O. It's almost orange, so we say O for orange. Red penguin. Why not? Green for a queen, because it almost rhymes. A green queen, get it? Blue for rocket, because we're zooming into space. Yellow for sun. That's right, a yellow sun. Pink for telephone. Purple for umbrella. Now let's do yellow for a violin. And a window can be pink. Lovely. I'm going for the gold again for a xylophone, my favourite musical instrument. Green for a yo-yo. I like playing with yo-yos, it's so much fun. And last but not least, a red zebra. Well done! You drew and painted the whole alphabet, all 26 letters of it. Great job! Fantastic! Subscribe and watch more. Chiki Art!